Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Anatomy on your fingertips. I have completed in the previous video I have told about the muscle of the shoulder region, and that was the part 1. We have more muscle in the shoulder region which was present on the back of the shoulder, okay, and back of the body. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the muscle of back. Okay, so the first muscle is the trapezius muscle. It originates from the occipital bone. Occipital bone is the bone of the head, and ligamentum nuchae and spine of C7 vertebra and spine of all thoracic vertebra. It originates from spine of only cervical 7 vertebra. ठीक है, and it also originate from the spine of all thoracic vertebra. That means ये ओरिजिनेट होते टाइम जो है वो सिर्फ सर्वाइकल, जितने भी हमारे सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा होते हैं उसमें से सिर्फ C7 सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा की स्पाइन से ओरिजिनेट होती है इनफैक्ट, और इसी के साथ ये जो थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा है उसके सारे थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा के स्पाइन से जाके ओरिजिनेट होती है. इट हैज़ 3 फाइबर्स. ओके, तो इसके तीनों फाइबर कहाँ जाके इंसर्ट होते हैं? अपर फाइबर्स विल गोइंग टू इंसर्ट इनटू द लेटरल थर्ड ऑफ क्लैविकल and middle and lower fiber into the acromion and spine of scapula. These both are the part of scapula. If you didn't watch my previous videos, please go and check it out, my bones session. Okay, so the nerve supply of the trapezius muscle is accessory nerves C11, cervical 11 and C3 and C4, which are the sensory nerves. Okay, द एक्शन ऑफ दिस मसल इज अपर फाइबर्स जो है वो एलिवेट करते हैं स्कैपुला को ऊपर उठाते हैं. मिडल फाइबर्स जो है पुल स्कैपुला मीडियली स्कैपुला को रोटेट करते हैं, एंड लोअर फाइबर्स जो है पुल द मीडियल बॉर्डर ऑफ स्कैपुला डाउनवर्ड, मीडियल बॉर्डर ऑफ स्कैपुला को नीचे की साइड धकेलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट मसल इज द लिवेटर स्कैपुला मसल. इट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द ट्रांसवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्स्ट 4 सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा. ओके, in the vertebra, when we will study about the vertebra, we will going to learn about the that it has vertebra has many parts like transverse process, spine and other parts also. Okay, so it originates from the transverse process of first 4 cervical vertebra and it insert in the medial border of scapula. Okay, and medial border of scapula, and it also medial border of posterior scapula. I have to mention this medial border of posterior side of the scapula. Okay, and the nerve supply which will going to supply the levator scapula is C3 and C4 and dorsal scapular nerve. These are the root value of the scapula, no, not scapula. These are the root value of the nerves. You have to learn this because there will be the direct question in your exam, in your university exam or in your MCQ, in your MCI or other exam also. So you have to mark up this. And in the brachial plexus, when we will study about the brachial plexus, I will gonna tell you the trick how to learn about the root value of the nerves. Okay, what's the action of this muscle? It raises the medial border of scapula. इफ़ इट इंसर्ट, अगर ये मीडियल बॉर्डर में जाके इंसर्ट होगा तो ये मीडियल बॉर्डर को ही रेस करेगा. दिस इज़ अ ट्रिक यू कैन लर्न लाइक दिस. ओके, द थर्ड मसल इज द rhomboid major muscle. Okay, rhomboid major muscle. It originate from the 2nd to 5th thoracic spine. It originate from the 2nd to 5th thoracic spines of the thoracic vertebra, and it again insert in the medial border of scapula with the levator scapula. And the nerve supply which will going to supply the rhomboid major is the dorsal scapular nerve. Okay, dorsal scapular nerve. And what's the action of this muscle? It raises the medial border. ये भी यहाँ पे अगर medial border के अंदर जाके insert हो रहा है तो medial border को ही raise करेगा. It raises the medial border of scapula upward and medially. ऊपर की side उठाता है और medially scapula को rotate करता है. Okay, so the next muscle is the rhomboid minor muscle. It originates from the ligamentum nuchae and spines of 7th cervical vertebra and the 1st thoracic vertebra. You have to learn this. Don't confuse with the trapezius and rhomboid major. In trapezius, the origin of the muscle, origin of trapezius muscle is from C7 vertebra and spine of all thoracic vertebra, and in rhomboid minor muscle, the origin of this muscle is from spine of 7 cervical vertebra and only the first thoracic vertebra will going to participate here. Okay, the insertion of this muscle is again the medial border of scapula. The nerve supply of this muscle is dorsal scapular nerve, which is same as the rhomboid major supply. ओके एंड ये भी मीडियल बॉर्डर में जाके अटैच हो रहा है, तो इट ऑल्सो रेजेस द मीडियल बॉर्डर ऑफ स्कैपुला अपवर्ड एंड मीडियली. The next muscle is the deltoid muscle. It originates from the lateral third of clavicle, acromion and spine of scapula. This is really important muscle. You have to learn this and mug up this by heart. Okay. This originates from the lateral third of clavicle, acromion and spine of scapula, and it insert on the middle of lateral surface of shaft of humerus. Okay. Middle of lateral surface. That means on the lateral side. If this is humerus, and this is the lateral border of humerus, so it insert on the medial side of the humerus. Okay, medial side on the lateral surface, middle, बीच में कहीं जाके lateral surface पे जाके attach होगा. Okay, middle of lateral surface of shaft of humerus, and the nerve supply which will going to supply this muscle is axillary nerve. This is also really important nerve in brachial plexus. We will gonna study about this, and the root value of this nerve is C5 and C6. You please don't worry about the root value here. जब हम brachial plexus पढ़ेंगे, I will going to teach you about the root values there. Okay. So what's the action of this muscle? It abducts. ठीक है. Abducts means away from the shoulder or body. Okay. Arm. Anterior fiber flex and medially rotate arm. Posterior fiber extend laterally and rotate arm. Okay. The next muscle is the supraspinatus muscle. It originates from the supraspinous fossa of scapula. On the posterior side, the spine of the scapula divides the scapula into the two fossa, supraspinatus fossa and the infraspinatus fossa. So the supraspinatus fossa has supraspinatus muscle. Okay, the supraspinatus muscle will going to originate from the supraspinous fossa of scapula, and it insert on the superior facet of greater tubercle of humerus. And what's the nerve supply of the supraspinatus? Same as its name represent, suprascapular nerve. The root value of the suprascapular nerve is C4, C5 and C6. Okay, it abducts the arm. Abducts means again away from the body, and it stabilizes the shoulder joint. The next muscle is the infraspinatus muscle. It originates from the infraspinous fossa of scapula. It will attach on the greater tuberosity of humerus, capsule of the shoulder joint, and the nerve supply which will going to supply here is suprascapular nerve. There is no infrascapular nerve, don't confuse it. Both the muscles, supraspinatus and infraspinatus, both are supplied by the suprascapular nerve. Okay, the root value again the same, C4, C5 and C6. What's the action of this muscle? It laterally rotates the arm and stabilizes the shoulder joint. Okay. The last muscle of the shoulder region is teres minor muscle. It originates from the upper 2/3 of lateral border of scapula. It is present just above the teres major muscle. Okay, and what's the insertion of this muscle? Greater tuberosity of humerus and capsule of shoulder joint. What's the nerve supply? It is supplied by the axillary nerve. There is one more nerve I have told you just now, just before in this class only. Which nerve? Which muscle is also supplied by the axillary nerve? The muscle is, please mention in the comment box. I won't tell you. I will tell you all the answer in the next video. Okay, what's the action of this muscle? It laterally rotates the arm and stabilizes the shoulder joint. So yeah, this is it guys. We have completed the shoulder muscles, and I have mentioned my Gmail ID and the Instagram ID in the description box, and I will also attach these notes on the Instagram page. Please go and check it out, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to share my videos also to your friends, and watch my previous videos also. Okay, thank you.